How do I find my PayPal ID? PayPal does not use a traditional account number or ID like some other financial institutions. Instead, PayPal accounts are primarily identified by the email address or mobile number that is linked to the account. To receive funds, you simply provide the sender with the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account. When they send money, it will be directed to your account based on these information. If you need to share your PayPal account details, you can give them your confirmed email address associated with your PayPal account. Alternatively, if you have linked a mobile number to your PayPal account, you can use that for transactions as well. So that is it. In basically, PayPal accounts are not identified by any account number or ID, but rather by the email address or mobile number used to log in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.